About a month ago, I bought this 1990 Mazda Miata. The guy I bought it from told me it wasn't starting after he'd replaced the head gasket. He thought maybe it had something to do with the ignition timing, but didn't have time or money to keep it. I bought a timing light, reset the ignition timing and the engine timing, but still no start. So this is where we begin. It's supposed to be oil.
That's not oil. Oh my god! Oh, both the kitties are in your engine bay. This is good. This is good content. This is content right here. Brand new. Yeah, I'm getting it. Napa know-how. It's oil time, baby. Oil change number uno. Oh my god, you're so chunky. Look at you.
We were getting a slow crank. We checked the oil. It looked like dairy milk. We don't want no dairy milk in our engine. Hell no, brother. So we changed it along with the filter before doing any more diagnostics. Right now I'm checking the battery voltage. A fully charged battery is 12.6. We were getting 12.17, which will be fine. We'll just hook it up to the jumper cables and it should crank.
Our power is sponsored by Miss Maya the Supplier. It sounds already a little bit better.
It was cranking better, but still no start. So we'll pop the airbox off and see if we can't get it to start with the magic sauce. Alright. Starting for today, baby. Okay.
Hell yeah! Woo, this thing is loud as fuck. Oh my god.
Yeah, miss. Alright. Yeah, that was good. I guess just cut
Oh, those are
nasty. We were getting good pressure to the fuel rail, but nothing from the injectors. After checking for pulse and getting what seemed like strange voltage, I started to wonder if we had an electrical problem. I checked the grounds, they were all I then proceeded to use all the wrong tools to repair them in all the wrong ways. Then checked to see if I was getting connection to the body and my new janky ground strap.
So yeah, we do have good connection at least.
Okay.
At least we have good ground connection to the car.
1230.
12.3 to the ground. 12.3 to the wires. Okay, so our ECU is good.
I've been recording. Result is that.
These were this way.
Mm-hmm.
So the feed line was into the
Oh.
wrong side.
I'd gone back over to the fuel rail and found that the feed line was swapped with the return line. I swapped them back and gave it one more try.
That would be incredible if that's what it was.
That would be very, very cool. Oh! Try again. Yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh! This thing is loud. Holy hell. Stank. Woo!
Oh my.
Stall number 1.
Right here I noticed the car would stall after coming to a stop with the clutch fully engaged, so hopefully we'll fix that in a future video.
Oh my god, sorry, uncle. There you go. What?
That's the alignment.
Okay, that's the alignment we're rocking with. I feel like such a piece of shit in this car. Oh my god! Oh my god! I feel like the worst person ever.
Needs an alignment, new tires, and probably a muffler. It occasionally pops out of third gear, and the tack and oil gauges are off. These are only a few of the things I've noticed so far. This is a budget build, so I'll only be doing what's 1000% necessary.
Oh, I hate this. Oh my god.
I've been keeping track of the total amount spent. We're in $700 for the car, $25 for the test light, $10 for the magic sauce, $5 for electrical stuff, and $35 for oil and the filter, which brings us to a grand total of $775. I hope this video is entertaining, or maybe even helpful. Like and subscribe and stuff. I don't know, well, you can do whatever you want. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. It's your life. Get out there and live it, boy. Okay, I think I'm done.